Hi, my name is Rosie, and for this assignment for week 2, I would like to present the closing rhyme that we do together when we do story time. And it's a very simple one. I usually do it without much preamble. I don't walk my storytime friends, through the signs. I would simply say, all right, friends, our time together for story time is now at end. And before we say goodbye, let's do our closing rhyme together. So for that, we're going to hold our hand out like this, and we're going to say, today we read a book, we sang some songs, let's blow a kiss. Can you blow kisses, friends? Kiss and say, so long. Thank you for coming to story time. Thank you and see you. Since it's a very short rhyme, I don't usually walk through the signs with my attendees. Many of them are regulars, and we do it at every story time. So some feedback about whether I should be explaining each sign is something that I would really welcome, and I hope you can give me some feedback on that. Thank you very much.